Okay, so we're back. We're about to put in the fresh okra. You can see how the meat has cooked down. It's like a nice thick consistency. It smells wonderful. The palm oil has also cooked down. Okay, so now we're going to throw in the fresh okra. Just going to throw it in, all of it. And we're going to give it a quick mix, and we're going to add some water into it. So we're mixing it in. You can see it's really, really thick. So we're going to have to add water into it. But I want to mix it in first really well. And to this we're going to add about 3 cups of cold water and let it cook. You can add more water if you see. Just measure it. Okay, so I'm going to add in the water. I'm going to crank the heat up to high. Also, how you're going to know when it's almost ready? Once it starts boiling and cooking for a little while, all the palm oil is going to come to the top. So you're going to see all the top is going to look all red. So I'm going to add in another cup of water. Okay. Give me 1 second. I just got to mix the rice here. Okay, once this cooks for about a half hour, you could also check it with a spoon to see if you want to add more seasoning into it. But for right now, that's about it, and we're going to cover it and let it cook.